So today I'm not gonna use digger. You have to really do manual. It's a manual building thing. So ayan yung mga, for instance this one. If you're not gonna remove that, so ang mangyayari, this area right here, mataas and then huhukay kasi may bato siya. So hindi mo. So yun, natanggal ko na yung bato doon. Yung tapa. Here, and then tatapalan mo. Yep. God be the glory.